Hello, welcome back. In this episode, we are going to be using a scoreboard value for an entity's name. Yeah, so let's pop down to command block. Let's have a little summon. I'm just going to say entity because I have no idea what entity I'm going to summon yet. I'm going to summon him here. Fill, tab, tab, tab. Let me have those coordinates. Okay, let's, I'll use an item. Let's summon an item at those coordinates. Doink. Item. What item will it be? ID. It'll need an ID. It'll need a count. 1B. And I'm going to give it a tag. Okay, so what should we use? Let's use a stone button. Why not? Stone button. In which case, the tag I'm going to give it is going to be myButton 1B. I don't want to be able to pick it up, so PickupDelay. What's the oldest? 32767. I wouldn't mind if it could float, so NoGravity 1B. I don't want it to despawn. Age minus 32768. It's going to have a custom name, which has to be visible. 1B. And its custom name. Bump bump. Two of those little apostrophes with two little curly brackets, speech marks, colon, speech marks. It will be text, and he's just going to say hi when he arrives. Have I got it right? Done. Hey, there he is. Hi. We can't pick him up. Cool. Okay. Now you cannot copy a scoreboard straight to an entity, not to his name. He doesn't like it, but you can copy it to a sign first. Tell you what, let's make a button so we can kill that thing, because otherwise it's going to be there forever. Kill entity. Don't need to execute. Kill any entity. And a little bit different to tag these ones. MBT equals. Well, what MBT? Well, we want to check the items NBT. Well, what NBT on the item do you want to check? We want to check the tag. Oh, dear me. There we go. myButton 1B. Right. Okay, you can come back. Don't worry. We love you. Okay, let's get a little wall here. Because on that wall, we are going to put a sign. There's my sign going on the wall, and it's going to say S apparently. Okay, let's get a scoreboard. We need a scoreboard, so scoreboard objectives, add, what shall I call it? Name score. And it's going to be a dummy. Done. And let's get a controller. Doink. Sign on there. You are the controller. Okay. First thing I want to do is I'm just going to make a little colloc, and I'm going to increment that score, which I've already forgotten the name of. Perfect. Scoreboard players. Add. Let's get a fake player. We don't need to see it on the sidebar, so we'll put the little hash. We'll just call him score holder. Name score, there we go. Name score, add 1. Okay, repeat. So he's called score holder and it's called name score. Let's see if we can attempt to remember that. Oh, look at that, pointing up. I've made that mistake before. Make sure it's pointing in the right way. Have another look. Score holder, name score. I'd forgotten already. Execute if score holder name score matches 100 or higher, run scoreboard players set score holder. I'm so close to forgetting it each time. Score holder, his name score to 0. Okay, so that should just be cycling around. Get to 100, go back to 0. Around and around and around. So first thing we're going to do is we want this sign coordinates. The old fill tab, tab, tab. And we're going to go in here and we're going to data merge into a block. Where is the block? It's where we just copied from. Okay, what are we going to merge in there? We're going to merge into its text1. Okay. Then we will need curly brackets. What are we going to merge in there? We're going to merge a score. And so in here we need speech marks, colon, speech marks, speech marks. And again, so the first bit is going to be the name. And his name was, it wasn't John Cena, no. Score holder. Dear me, what is my memory doing today? So we're going to get a score from score holder. What score? What objective? And the objective was name score. I'm sure that's right. Done. There we go. Hey, we got them all right. So we'll get to 100. Bang, and go back down. So we can't do that directly to the button because the button doesn't understand the advanced NBT. He's like, no, I don't know what it is. I can't pass that. But the sign is converting it into a string, and the button likes strings. So what we're going to do now is copy from here to here. So we are going to data modify entity, and I'm just going to say done, and I'm going to go over here to our little kill, and I'm going to copy this bit. Done. Or should we write that again? Let's write it again. Let's write it again. Let's do. Okay, so we want to MBT, and it's the MBT of an item, and it's the tag, and the tag is myButton 1B. Okay, why is it red? Well, we can only modify one entity, so we're going to have to limit that to 1. What do we want to change? Well, we want to change his custom name. We want to set it from a block. Where is the block? I don't know. It's here. Fill, tab, tab, tab. Give me your coordinates, please. Thank you. We'll put that in there. And we're going, which data are we going to take? We're going to take the data in text1. Okay. And nothing will happen. Well, why not? I don't know. Have we made a mistake here? MBT equals, I mean, it looks okay. Data, modify the entity, myButton, custom name. Aha! I see the mistake. We are editing his custom name. Name, please. Done. Oh, there we go. Nice. Okay, there we go. But that's how you can get a scoreboard value and assign it as a name to an entity. This could have been an arm stand, it could be a player. No, probably not a player because you can't edit their data. But arm stand or a creeper, a mob. You get the idea. Right. Me and my countdown, so I'm just going to throw my command block in frustration. I'll see you later. Bye.